Big adventures don't always need big gear. That's where the Insta360 X4 Air comes in. The camera's small enough to disappear in your pocket and let you live in the moment, yet powerful enough to capture your journey in 8K. This is the new Insta360 X4 Air, the lightest 8K 360 camera yet. At just 165 grams, it's smaller than the X4 and X5, but still packs the same stunning 8K image quality. Today, I'm going to give you a full beginner's guide, walking you through the unboxing, setup, accessories, and my top shooting tips to capture on your next adventure. So what's in the starter bundle? Well, everything you need comes right in the box. The X4 Air, a lens cap for protection, the iconic invisible selfie stick, and even a backup battery so you never miss a moment. Before we start shooting, we're gonna put our micro SD card in the camera, install the battery, and don't forget to charge the camera. Honestly, the camera on its own is great, but using accessories makes it even better. I'm someone who loves to have the camera ready at a moment's notice, but not necessarily have to carry it all the time. The magnetic holster is the perfect solution for this, especially while hiking. It even can help give you that first-person POV angle. The magnetic holster fits the 114 centimeter invisible selfie stick perfectly. This is the original 360 selfie stick that disappears seamlessly. It's extremely beginner friendly and easy to use. The X4 Air is perfect for people who like to keep things small and light. The 2-in-1 foldable selfie stick is the perfect companion that keeps the pack light, but it's a true do-it-all tool. It's only 6.5 inches long and weighs less than half a pound. It protects the lenses from scratching when folded up in travel mode. And when you're ready to shoot, just take the cover off, flip the camera up, and you're ready to go. For ease of use, connect the Bluetooth button to your X4 Air to start and stop recording right from the base of the foldable selfie stick. And my favorite part is the fact that it's also a tripod. Now that you know about my favorite accessories, let's change to my favorite place, the beach. Here we are, and these are my top tips for getting the best image possible. Number one, you want to have a clean lens. That means no water drops or fingerprints on the lens. For the best settings, I suggest using 8K 30 frames per second, auto white balance, medium sharpness, and standard color with high bitrate. Also, don't forget to turn on this new setting called adaptive tone. Essentially, it automatically optimizes brightness and color for optimal image quality. It does this by adjusting the exposure by each video frame and for each side of the camera, making the file a little bit bigger, but the results are pretty incredible. And if you're worried about the stitch line, don't worry. AI has you covered and it makes that stitch line really seamless. And remember, the magic of a 360 camera is that you can shoot first and edit later. With AI-powered reframing tools in the Insta360 app, just hit record and find the perfect shot after. For the best shots, you don't want the side of the camera pointing at you. You want to point a lens directly at you. This stitch line for both lenses on both sides of the camera help with the invisible selfie stick, and the pole disappears from 360 footage just like magic. One of the most underrated features of the X4 Air is its flow state stabilization. Insta360's flow state stabilization technology eliminates any shake and bump to keep your footage silky smooth. Just remember that no matter which mode you use, keeping your camera smooth and steady on your own with intentional movements really elevates the quality of your shots. And even when I'm taking selfies, I try to move the camera as little as possible. To take the stabilization a step further, the X4 Air has 360 horizon lock. And this means no matter which angle you turn the camera, the horizon remains locked at 90 degrees. If you don't want to use the camera in 360 mode or have to reframe your shot, you could use it like a traditional action camera with single lens mode and shoot immersive 4K 60 first-person point of view video. There's nothing worse than getting a great shot than going to press stop recording and going, oh shit, it wasn't recording. Never miss the perfect moment again with pre-recording mode. In this mode, the camera's always saving a short buffer in the background. When something happens, just hit record and it'll capture the seconds before and after you press the shutter until you press stop recording. Think of it as adding time to the front of your video. So if a moment happens and you press record after, you don't miss that shot. It's perfect for something like fishing and helps you avoid endless long rolling shots waiting for the perfect moment to happen. One of the keys to having a good quality video is having high quality audio. You don't want your audio sounding bad like right now, it's super windy beach. The WindGuard and voice audio algorithm significantly reduce wind noise in windy conditions like right now, and specifically helps voices sound crisp and clear. This is perfect for vlogging. Just select strong wind reduction mode or voice enhancement mode for optimal audio quality in windy conditions and you're good to go. Let's move on from all of that technical jargon. These are a few of my favorite tips and tricks shooting with the 360 camera. Keep the camera at face level. Too high and you'll lose the natural look. Too low, you get a pretty bad double chin. Straight on keeps things flattering, or a little bit higher, but honestly, just play with the angle that you like the most and have fun with it. Drone restrictions are becoming more and more common, and one of the most useful ways to use a 360 camera, in my opinion, is to extend your selfie stick all the way out and recreate drone movements. One of my favorites and easiest shots is the drone flyaway. Start close to your subject and then pull back and reveal the entire scene. Another really cool shot is to mimic an FPV drone. You do this by making the camera move really close to an object like you're flying over it. I like to start moving the camera low to the ground over something like flowers or rocks or the ocean, and then raise the camera up to reveal my scene. Just remember that smooth, fluid movements are key to a great shot. Lastly, I love to shoot first person point of view, or POV for short. This shot allows you to look through my eyes, but it's funny to put your camera in your mouth like this. Good thing it's waterproof and scratch resistant. It's also a great way to show transitions in a fun way like this. And speaking of durability, you may also be wondering how durable the X4 Air truly is. Don't worry, it's waterproof up to 49 feet or 15 meters, so there's no need to stress if it gets wet. And if you're clumsy like me, drop it or hit it on something and the lens gets scratched, you have nothing to worry about. You can easily replace them on your own with a replaceable lens kit. Just pull off the broken or scratched lens guard, clean the lens area, and put the new lens on and you're good to go. One of the most fun but hardest parts about using a camera is that there's infinite ways to edit the footage. Luckily, Insta360's app is top-notch and connects seamlessly to your phone via Bluetooth to make the process easy. The new perspective tools and AI framing in the app allow users to decide the perspective of the video in one click. You can also use AI editing to automatically find your highlights thanks to scenario detection and edit them into ready-to-share video. And a really cool new feature is recording while you reframe. The record function allows easy adjustment of viewing angles and camera movements for quick generation of videos and is user-friendly, especially for outdoor users. I think this is a really fun way to feel like you're reliving the moment while simultaneously reframing your footage and getting it ready to share. And if you want to get really creative, there's all kinds of fun auto features as well. But Sky Swap has to be my all-time favorite fun AI trick in the app. Overall, the X4 Air is extremely beginner-friendly and really lightweight. Check it out on Insta360.com.